The stop was for a loose chain, but the officer quickly shifted focus to the passenger and demanded identification without stating a crime. The traffic stop was with the driver, not the passenger, yet the officer threatened jail just to get a name. The response stayed calm and consistent. I don't answer questions. Without reasonable suspicion, there was no lawful basis to force identification.
Hit at the way station.
Yeah, go ahead.
Officer Herline, Michigan State Police. The reason I pulled you around today is the chain on the front of the skid steer is loose.
Yeah, we're all the way up. We're coming all the way from Grand Rapids, so that front chain bounces off once in a while.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on your registration, proof of insurance?
Yeah.
Do you have any ID on you as well, sir?
I don't answer questions.
Say again?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you though?
I don't answer questions.
All right. Well.
I'm just a passenger.
All right. Well, I still need to identify you. So, if you don't have your ID on you, you know, do you have your name? Can I get your name?
Yeah, I got my name.
Could I get it, please?
I don't answer questions, sir. You're talking with them.
Where are you headed, sir?
Back to Newport.
Back to Newport. Where are you coming from?
Grand Rapids.
Alright. Just hauling stuff for housing specialist?
Yep.
Is that who you're working for?
Yeah.
Okay. There's both of those. So you said you were going back to Newport?
Yeah.
Alright. So I do need to identify you, whether I need to take you down to the jail to identify you
So
or
you're going to
not.
violate my civil rights?
No,
You're going to violate my civil rights?
I'm not violating any of your civil rights.
But your traffic stop is with him, it's not with me.
I agree, but I still need to identify you.
I don't know what you need to do. The traffic stop is with him. I'm just a
I need
passenger
to
in the car.
identify you. So whether or not I have to take you down to the jail to identify you, or you give me your ID, that's your choice.
And that's what you want to do to violate my civil rights. Don't I have the right to remain silent and just sit here? Your deal is with him, correct?
Yes. I
Okay,
still
so
need to identify
he's
you.
the driver. You pulled over him driving. And just to let you know, this is all being audio and video recorded.
Okay, so you're being audio and video recorded.
I hope so, because yours comes up missing, mine doesn't.
Okay.
Mine's live streaming right now.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I'm a civil rights activist. I know what my rights are.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a quick inspection. I need you to turn all the lights on for me. Come up front, check all the lights, windshield wipers, horn. Go to the back of the truck, check the lights there. Same with the trailer, okay?
Okay.
After I get done checking that, I'll come back up the other side, take a look at everything, then we'll go over some more when I get back up here, okay?
Okay.
one point, the officer even claimed the passenger had been driving, which directly contradicted the facts. The Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution states that no person shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, protecting the right to remain silent. Instead of arguing or escalating, the passenger remained composed, asserted his rights, and made it clear the encounter was being recorded. When authority realizes its actions are documented and legally challenged, the tone often shifts. After completing the inspection, the officer ultimately backed off and let them go. Off camera, he reportedly apologized and admitted he was choosing not to hold them there for hours. This is what happens when citizens understand the law and refuse to be intimidated. Calm confidence, clear boundaries, and constitutional knowledge turned a potential rights violation into a reminder that power only works when people don't question it. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.